Hello, my beloved YouTube family members. I hope you all will be enjoying your good health. This is Dr. Huma Ibrar, and this channel is all about international license exam guidance and material. So, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon as this channel could be biggest support towards your successful career. So, let's move towards today's topic. Today, I will discuss some common mistakes that could be the main reason towards failure in license exam. So watch this video till end with full attention and concentration. And sort out if you are also doing the same mistake while preparing for Prometric exam, or those who can't clear their exam also figure out the reason behind your failure. The first and the most important reason for failure is misguidance. Please, I always mentioned in my videos that avoid those social media agents or anyone who is claiming to have past papers, as this could not be possible due to high security system. Now, what happens? Many of you are still stuck to graduation or post-graduation exam system, and many of you would assume that past papers are the shortest key towards success in exam. So let me inform you all that no one could claim that exam will be totally copy-paste from those files or documents, and this Prometric exam is unpredictable. Maybe 40% would be the same as past paper exam or past exam, or maybe 60%, or maybe 20%, or even maybe not even 5%. So please don't rely on this and stop preparing for exam in wrong way. Stop rote learning and memorizing stuff without concepts. I have seen many people who are just rote learning the MCQs and assuming that same copy paste scenarios will be in next exam. And after failure, complaining about that exam was totally different and the MCQs were not same. Here, I would not deny about repeated MCQs. Sometimes 60% MCQ are repeated, but again, I would never guarantee you for this. So the best way to prepare for exam is to clear your concepts, and clearing your concepts would also help you to clear any exam, viva, interview, and further will help you in practical life also. So after this point, let's move towards the second mistake usually students make. You will notice that your seniors, your junior, and any random person has cleared exam in 15 days or even in 10 days. And when you will contact them, they'll obviously told you that exam is easy and could be cleared by 15 days preparation. So go ahead. Let me inform you that each and every person has a different learning capacity and picking power. So please don't rush and take your time and don't waste your money by rushing towards your first attempt and then wasting your money with second and third attempt also. So I've got thousands of mails about how much time is required to prepare for Prometric exam. So it totally depends upon you. Some clients would give 10 to 12 hours daily to prepare, while others will give 5 to 6 hours daily. So I previously mentioned and always guide to my clients that spare minimum of 40 to 45 days for your best preparation. Again, I will mention that this minimum time is only for those who have accurate and precise exam material and not for those who are randomly preparing from books without any guidance. So let's revise. The first point was let me summarize it, was about concepts. The second point was about time management. And now let's move towards the most important and the third point, that is about exam material, Prometric exam material. Always have precise and accurate material for preparation. Don't buy material from agents in social media who are just claiming for past papers and selling material in 100 to 300 US dollars. Beware of them, please. With accurate material and guidance, you will clear your exam in first attempt, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, 95% of my clients are clearing exam in first attempt. Those who already have my pocketbook are aware that I also guide them for exam. I've seen many students that have just habit of gathering exam material from different sources, and ultimately at the end they will cover only 5% of that material, and that could be only 0.5% of the actual Prometric exam. So please don't waste your time and don't waste your money, and please remain focused and consistent. Those who want exam material could mail me. My email ID is also given in description box. Now, many of you would be thinking that from where I'm getting that past MCQs, Prometric exam MCQs. So let me inform you that my successful clients share these topics and MCQs which they could remember after exam. And after that, I upload them in YouTube. You could also check Prometric MCQ playlist in my YouTube channel for all recent exam MCQs and topics. My goal is to help you all in exam preparation so that you could save your precious time. So that pocketbook is actually, these are my own personal notes for preparation of Prometric exam in shortest time. So, my dear clients, that's it for today, and I will come back soon, inshallah, with another important video. So, stay connected by subscribing this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon also. Thank you for watching this video.